Planning a trip in 2023? Want to make it the best one yet? Welcome, wanderers of the world. Today we're embarking on a journey to navigate the exciting realm of travel in 2023. We've scoured the globe, from travel experts to news articles, to bring you the top travel tips of the year. Whether you're an experienced globetrotter or a first-time flyer, these insights will help you plan, pack, and make the most of your trip. We'll cover everything, from pre-trip planning to travel tech tips, aimed at making your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, travel is not just about reaching a destination, but also about the journey itself. And the journey, my friends, should be nothing less than extraordinary. So buckle up as we unfold the secrets to making your next adventure not just good, but the best one yet. Stay tuned to make your next adventure the best one yet. Before you even pack your bags, there's a lot to consider. Planning ahead is crucial to ensure a seamless travel experience. It's like laying the groundwork for an amazing adventure. Now let's dive into some essential pre-trip planning tips. Starting off with flights, it's important to book early, especially during the holiday season. As the winter festivities approach, flight prices can shoot up and availability can dwindle. So, mark your calendars for October, the golden month to secure your holiday flights. Remember, the early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the best flight deals. Now, on to travel insurance. It's one of those things you hope you'll never need, but when you do, you'll be glad you have it. Travel insurance can cover a range of potential issues, from medical emergencies to flight cancellations. It's like a safety net, offering peace of mind as you explore unfamiliar territories. Speaking of peace of mind, consider enrolling in TSA PreCheck. It's a game changer for frequent flyers. Imagine breezing through security without having to remove your shoes, laptop, or liquids. It's all about reducing stress and saving time, which is, after all, the essence of a holiday. Lastly, let's talk about travel credit cards. They're not just for racking up miles. Many offer perks like free checked bags, priority boarding, and even access to cozy airport lounges. Plus, they can earn you points on everyday purchases, which you can redeem for flights, hotels, and more. It's like your everyday spending is funding your next adventure. Remember, good planning isn't about restricting spontaneity, it's about creating a strong foundation for your journey so you can embrace unexpected twists and turns with ease. With careful planning, you can avoid common travel mishaps, save money, and ensure a stress-free journey. Packing smart and navigating your travel day can make a world of difference. Let's dive into the art of efficient packing. It's a skill that, once mastered, can alleviate a lot of travel anxieties. Have you ever considered traveling with just carry-on luggage? It might sound like a daunting task, especially for those long trips, but it's worth the effort. Not only does it save you the stress of lost or delayed baggage, but it also speeds up your journey by allowing you to bypass those long carousel waits. How you pack your carry-on can also make a big difference. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and avoid wrinkles. Keep a small bag of travel-sized toiletries at the top of your bag for easy access during security checks. Now let's talk about navigating your travel day. One tip that can significantly reduce stress is booking non-stop flights early in the morning. Yes, it might require an early alarm, but these flights are less likely to be delayed and you'll have the rest of the day at your destination. And what about getting to the airport? Avoiding rush hour can save you a lot of time and stress. If you can, try to arrange your travel so you're not hitting the road when everyone else is. If you're renting a car or parking at the airport, consider your options carefully. Rental cars and airport parking can be pricey, so it's worth researching cheaper off-site parking options or using public transport to get to the airport. Remember, a smooth travel day starts with smart packing and strategic planning. Make these tips part of your travel routine and you'll be setting yourself up for a more relaxed, enjoyable journey. Once you've arrived at your destination, it's all about making the most of your experience. The journey is indeed the destination, and the true essence of travel is immersing yourself in the local culture. This doesn't mean you have to become fluent in a new language overnight, but knowing a few key phrases can open doors and hearts. Hello, thank you, please. These simple words in the local language can spark a connection, a smile, and even lead to unexpected friendships. Now let's talk about accommodations. All-inclusive resorts are a great choice for those who value convenience and seamless experiences. With meals, drinks, and activities all under one roof, you can focus on relaxation and enjoyment without worrying about the details. Plus, they can be a great way to manage costs and avoid those surprise expenses that can sneak up on you during a trip. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to see the sights, consider hitting the open road. Road trips offer the freedom to explore at your own pace, the flexibility to change plans on a whim, and the luxury of packing as much or as little as you want. Plus, there's no better way to truly get to know a place than by traversing its highways and byways. And finally, when it comes to booking your trip, consider bundling. Pairing your airfare with your hotel and car rental can lead to significant savings. It's a little like buying in bulk. The more you buy, the more you save. Plus, it can simplify the planning process and make managing your itinerary a breeze. Embrace the local culture, plan your activities wisely, and remember, the best memories often come from the unexpected moments. In this digital age, technology can be your best travel buddy. Sure, it's great to disconnect and enjoy the world around you, but a few smart tech tips can make your journey even smoother. Let's dive in. First things first, back up your important data. Photos, contacts, itineraries. You don't want to risk losing them. Use cloud services or an external hard drive for an extra layer of security. Next, keep your devices up to date. Nothing spoils a vacation like a glitchy phone or tablet. Before you set off, make sure your devices are running the latest software. It might seem like a chore, but trust me, it pays off. Now let's talk about public Wi-Fi. It's a lifesaver when you're on the go, but it can also be a playground for hackers. So set up a virtual private network or VPN for secure browsing. This tech tool encrypts your data, keeping it safe from prying eyes. Finally, pack a portable charger. You never know when you'll need to juice up your device, especially during long travel days or when exploring off the beaten path. A portable charger can be a real game changer. With these tech-savvy tips, you'll be ready to navigate any destination with ease. There you have it, the top travel tips of 2023. We've covered the value of planning ahead, from pondering on your destination, to booking flights and accommodations early, to learning key phrases in the local language of the places you'll visit. We've touched on smart packing, making sure you have essentials, and the benefit of carry-on luggage. We discussed maximizing your trip, immersing yourself in the local culture, skipping costly add-ons, and considering cost-effective alternatives like road trips or cruises. We also delved into the power of technology, from setting up automatic payments to using a VPN for secure browsing on public Wi-Fi networks. Remember, travel isn't just about reaching a destination, but about the journey and the memories you create along the way. So, wherever your travels take you, remember these tips to make your 2023 adventures unforgettable. Safe travels. All right, travelers, we hope you found these travel tips helpful. We're sure that armed with these tips, your 2023 adventures will be nothing short of amazing. Now, we want to hear from you. If you found these tips useful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us know that we're on the right track with our content. And if you're not already part of our travel community, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more travel tips, guides, and insider secrets coming your way. We wouldn't want you to miss out on any of that. Finally, we'd love to hear your own travel tips and tricks. Did we miss anything? Do you have a tip that saved you time, money, or stress on a trip? Leave a comment below and share your wisdom with the rest of the community. Your engagement helps us create more content like this, and we love hearing from you. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.